when I drive, it turns so hot over here. Has like it's almost pulling something, or it's so heavy to accelerate. Tell the problem right away. This thing is not even moving. It's jammed. This it's not. It's like somebody pressed the brake hard, left it on, and it's stuck. Side, see, it's turning. I mean, because this is like all four-wheel drive. Here's the other one. This is very bad. They're very badly, but this is rotate, so you need to make sure this will sit just exactly. This could be jammed, could something wrong with this. So this vise works fantastic for design for brakes. Brake. Okay, release. To push back. That's the brake fluid. Front or the brake cylinder works. It's all the way pushed back. You see that? Release. Brake. Release. Not bad. Oh. Washer here. Washer. Okay. How you test your brake piston? Brake. Release. Release. Brake. Release. Brake. Release. This is the air. Release the air. Once you see fluid coming straight, that means it's good. We can tie this. We let all the air out. Press. Good. This cylinder is not going back. Now it's coming out, but it's not going back. A little bit grease in here, and those sliders, just a little bit. I don't have the right grease though to use like for temperature or so, but I think this should work. In the place, and now it's time to put this thing back.